Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. In last video we have discussed about the nucleophilic substitution reactions and also the mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reactions SN1 and SN2 and the relative examples we have taken. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about another substitution reactions, and this is the electrophilic substitution reactions. What is electrophilic substitution reaction? When substitutions takes place through the electrophile is called electrophilic substitution reactions. In case of nucleophilic substitution reactions, we have explained that when substitutions takes place through nucleophile is called nucleophilic substitution reactions, but when substitutions takes place through electrophile is called electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay? Most of the benzene ring or aromatic compound give electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay? When we call about nitrations of benzene, nitrations of aromatic compound, sulfonation of aromatic compound, halogenations of aromatic compound, and Friedel-Crafts chylation and Friedel-Crafts acylations of benzene. All these reactions takes place through electrophilic substitution. Okay, give electrophilic substitution reactions. So dear student, nucleophilic we have discussed about nucleophilic. Today we will discuss about electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay. Electrophilic substitution reaction. What is electrophilic substitution reaction? Simple definition: when the substitution takes place through electrophile, when the substitution takes place through electrophile is called, or you can say when substitutions brought through electrophile is referred to as electrophilic substitution reactions or called electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, let us see the example of electrophilic substitution reactions. When benzene is treated with chlorine or bromine in the presence of AlCl3 or FeCl3 to form chlorobenzene is the example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, student. Another example: when benzene is treated with nitric acid, HNO3, concentrate nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, it forms nitrobenzene. With the elimination of water molecule is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. This is nitrobenzene. Okay. In other words, when we discuss about when benzene is treated with a concentrate H2SO4, it forms benzene sulfonic acid. With the elimination of one water molecule. This is also an example of electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, when we treated benzene with alkyl halide. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylations. Alkyl halide in the presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3, once again it form alkyl benzene. Okay, alkyl benzene with the elimination of HX. This is also an example of electrophilic substitution reactions. We will give mechanism of these reactions only, okay, and you will solve all the reactions with given mechanism, okay dear student. Now see what is the mechanism of this reaction or halogenation. Here AlCl3 or FeCl3, when we take bromine in place of chlorine, the carrier taken here is FeBr3. Okay, so this is act as a carrier and it carries the nucleophile. How it carries the nucleophile we will see in the mechanism. Okay dear student, so mechanism of this reaction is mechanism. What is mechanism? Mechanism is a process by which reaction is solved. Okay, so first of all, formation of electrophile. Step first, formation of electrophile. Okay, how electrophile is formed? In this reaction, here the carrier taken, it react with chlorine, FeCl3 react with chlorine to form FeCl4 negative and chloronium ion. This is an electrophile because it is deficiency of electron. You can see by the watching the positive charge in it. Okay dear student, this is a electrophile. The name of this electrophile is chloronium ion. In second second, in this step chloronium ion attack on the benzene ring. That means electrophile attacks on the benzene ring and stabilized by the resonance structure. Okay, so here write, see the mechanism. Chloronium ion, and when bond break, hydrolysis take place between the pi bond in the benzene ring, it take as, and chloronium ion may be here, and in other you can show as when bond is breaking in this direction or when bond break in this direction, the electrophile here will attack in this position because here electron density now is greater than those of this position. So here electrophile will attach in this condition here and one hydrogen here. Okay, this chlorine will substitute this hydrogen, but we will show here a resonance structure. Okay, now delocalization of pi electron takes place in the benzene ring and form more than one structure known as resonance structure, and canonical structure. So here negative charge and here positive charge, the double bond will set up here, and chlorine here and one bond here, and here is a positive charge. Once again this pi bond will delocalize and bond will rupture or bond will break off in this direction. Here will be negative charge and here is a positive charge, and it will, the orbital will overlap to each other and form double bond here. Okay, like this. double bond will form here, and already double bond present here, chlorine here present, and hydrogen here present. Here is a positive charge. Okay, dear student. Now, step third. Okay, see here, step third. Step third. In this step, deprotonation takes place. Okay, deprotonation. Okay, of benzene carbocation. You can say as benzene carbocation because here positive charge on the carbon atom in the ring. So you can say here a benzene, and due to presence of one positive charge, you can say here benzene carbocation. So deprotonation, only you can write as deprotonation here. Okay. So in this reaction also nucleophile attack to the benzene ring and liberate the hydrogen here. So take one structure out of this structure. Here I am taking the last structure, no matter, ClH here, and double bond set up in this position and in this position. Okay, and nucleophile, it is present in the first step, will attack in this step on the benzene ring, and deprotonations take place. The bond rupturing take place in this manner because you know carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen, so bond will break in these directions, and electron goes to carbon atom and it will get negative charge, and negative charge means one electron density here. This orbital of carbon and this orbital will overlap, and one again it form, there is a double bond here, one here, and chlorine here. This is a chlorobenzene. Okay, and now proton eliminate from this position, combine with chlorine to form HCl and FeCl. Carrier we have taken in the initial state. Okay, so this is the mechanism of chlorination of benzene, like bromination same. In case of nitration, the nitronium ion is formed. In case of sulfonium, sulfur trioxide act as an electrophile. Okay, dear student. In case of alkyl halide, the alkyl group act as an electrophile. So, say mechanisms are same in all conditions. In case of nitration, in case of sulfonation, in case of sulfonation, 4 steps are taking place. Okay, in case of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, all mechanisms are same. Okay, dear student. So we will discuss in next video. Second one is free radical substitution reactions. Okay, thank you, all the best.